1. Time values, bar lines and time signatures. This is the first video in a course in which you will learn all you need to know to take part in a music theory exam grades 1 to 5 at any of the major schools of music such as ABRSM or Trinity College. This lesson will go through all the time values needed for grade 1 music theory. First of all, here are some names of note values. This is a semibreve. This is a minim. This is a crotchet. And this is a quaver. And finally, this is a semiquaver. Now let's take some time to study the following table showing the equivalence between the different note values. It can be seen that one semibreve is equal to 2 minims, which in turn are equal to 4 crotchets, which are equal to 8 quavers, which are equal to 16 semiquavers. The stave you can see here contains 3 bars, separated by bar lines. And at the end of the line there is a double bar line. At the beginning of each bar there is a time signature. The top number of a time signature tells you how many beats are in a bar, and the bottom number tells you what type of beat it is. For example, in the first bar there is a time signature of 2/4. This means that there are 2 beats in a bar and the beats are crotchets. Or put more simply, there are 2 crotchet beats in a bar. The second bar has a time signature of 3/4, meaning 3 crotchet beats in a bar. Notice that this doesn't necessarily mean 3 crotchet notes in that bar. It could be, as you can see here, a minim and a crotchet, which adds up to the same as 3 crotchet beats. In the final bar, there is a letter C, which stands for common time. Common time is just another way of writing 4/4, that is, 4 crotchet beats in a bar. Note that in grade 1, you will only see time signatures with crotchet beats. In other words, the bottom number of the time signature in grade 1 will always be a 4, or marked as common time, which means 4/4. Now let's test to see how much you have understood. What time signature would be needed at the beginning of this extract? If we add up the note values in any of the bars that you can see here, they all add up to 3 beats. For example, the first bar, a minim, which is worth 2 beats, and 2 quavers, which are worth half a beat each, adds up to 3. The same is true for the second bar. A crotchet is worth 1, 2 crotchets is 2, and 2 more quavers makes 3 beats. The same would be true for the third bar. Half plus quarter plus quarter plus 2 makes 3. So the time signature that you would need is 3/4 time. Now, where would the bar lines go in this extract? Notice the time signature says 2/4 time. So if we start adding up the notes, we have quarter plus half makes 1 beat. Then again, quarter plus half makes another beat. So that added together makes 2 beats. So the first bar line goes here. Then we have 2 quavers worth half each and another crotchet worth 1. Another 2 beats in total. So the next bar line goes here. Then we have 4 semiquavers. That is equal to 4 quarters or 1 beat. Then 2 quavers, which are worth half each, another beat. So the next bar line goes here. And the final note, a minim, is worth 2 beats. So that is a bar all by itself.